If you're operating a DJI Flip Drone or any other DJI drone, selecting the suitable memory card is of paramount importance. A slow card might result in frame drops or even lead to the drone stopping recording in mid-flight. When selecting the best memory card for your needs, opt for the SanDisk Extreme Pro or the Samsung Pro Plus. Both these cards have proven to be highly reliable in handling 4K and 5.1K video footage without any issues. If you're facing constraints on your budget, the Lexar 1066X can also serve as a solid alternative for those casual 4K recording sessions. When it comes to storage, a capacity of at least 256 GB is absolutely essential for ensuring that you have ample space during long flights without running out of resources. Like, share, and subscribe to receive more valuable tips. Let me know in the comments which drone you have in your collection.